Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. Welcome to our tour on Praia do Forte Beach in Salvador, Brazil. Are you ready for an amazing adventure? If yes, click like and write a comment under the video. From the moment I arrive, I'm mesmerized by the beauty around me. Walking along the coastline, I marvel at the glimmering crystal clear waters and the immaculate white sand. Every single wave that crashes into the shore brings a wave of joy and excitement to me. My senses are heightened as I take in the breathtaking views and take moments to appreciate just how phenomenal this place is. As I continue along the beach, I'm drawn towards the beach bars. I sit down at one of the tables and order a delicious cold beer. With the music playing, the waiters dancing, and the locals smiling, it's hard not to feel right at home. I take in the energy that lingers in the air and savor the flavor of the ice cold beer. I continue my journey, making friends along the way. I'm humbled by the hospitality of the locals. They show me around and teach me about the culture and traditions in Salvador. Everywhere I go, I'm embraced with warmth, kindness, and soul. All around me, the beauty is undeniable. As I finish my tour and head back to where I started, I feel moved and inspired by the people I've met and the sights I've seen. Praia do Forte Beach has been an incredible experience, and I consider myself a changed person after this amazing journey. To experience this tour yourself, click the link in the description below and join me for my next adventure in Brazil. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you there.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.